Hey guys, it's Czar here from Cerulean Trading. I just wanted to do a quick little video here on investor psychology and trading psychology and emotions and impulses and things of that nature. I've had a lot of questions about that lately, and I really believe it's one of the most important, if not the most important aspects in trading and of trading success. And so this is taken from a live trading session today, as a matter of fact, on the New York Open. And so I just wanted to, I cut out all the beginning part where I didn't actually take any trades. And there are no trades in this particular video. It was a range-bound open, didn't take any trades. It's October 19th today, 2022. But we had a little discussion about human nature and psychology, and I wanted to include it. So I'll take you right into the session now, and I hope you enjoy it. We'll talk soon. A very big trader who's around the same age as I am has been trading not quite as long as I have. Just messaged that he just lost 50 points on the Dow here in the first few minutes, and he's a very good trader, but this is a challenging open. I used to trade for excitement 3 decades ago. I used to trade for excitement and for adventure and for dopamine hits. I no longer do that because that is catastrophic to accounts. I've never blown an account in my entire career, thankfully. At this point, I'm set up so that I probably never will, but knock on wood when I say that. You can hear me knocking in the background there. Anything's possible if you get into an unresourceful state and take on too much risk and so on. And mental and emotional health play a gigantic part in a trader's profitability, because everything that happens in your personal life and in your work life, if you have a full-time or part-time job, translates into your trading and how you interpret what the market is saying to you, right? As you may often hear me say, that trading can be very simple, right? And simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. But despite the simplicity of the principles behind successful trading, it is also the most challenging profession on the face of the earth, I believe. And that's not to discount or denigrate any other professions that are extremely challenging as well. I only say this because this trading has a very unique aspect about it, in that it is almost entirely played inside of your evolutionary mind, right? The brain. And evolutionary biology and evolutionary psychology has wired you to suck at trading. It has wired you to fail at trading. We are all wired to fail at trading, because what we require to succeed in trading goes against everything we've evolved to become by means of natural selection. And if you don't believe in evolution, I'm okay with that. But I will ask you to accept the fact, or accept the idea that you were created to suck at trading and to fail at trading. Either way you look at it, I can assure you it's true, and that's why the vast majority, we don't know for certain. There are a lot of statistics thrown out there, but I would venture a guess that anywhere between 90 to nearly 100% of people who day trade or scalp lose money eventually. It's very, very difficult. But that's also why I spend a great deal of time talking about the mental game, the psychological aspect, the emotional aspect. Trading is nothing more, virtually nothing more, than managing your impulses in the face of uncertainty and randomness. And trading outcomes are random. And I don't mean that in the loose sense where markets can just do whatever they want. But the next move, the next tick, the next candle unfolding is uncertain, or it's unknown. And from a statistical or mathematical sense, that is the definition of random. It means uncertain or unknown. It doesn't mean it can do whatever it wants. Not that kind of randomness. But this is what we're managing. And why? What's happening in your personal life, in your relationships, in your struggles with family, or interpersonal relationships with friends, what's going on at work, will absolutely affect how you translate, interpret, and behave in the capital markets. 30 seconds left on the 10-minute candle. There's nothing for me here. We are range bound, And if things don't move out of this range anytime soon, I'm going to do exactly what I did in London, and that's end the stream without taking a trade. And this will be the first time we've done that, where we haven't taken a trade on the open of London or New York. But I am seeing a little bit of activity here. Let's see how this thing closes and see if we can get something going.